Hey, Luke Halliday here from SnapThirty, and I am doing a unboxing and review of, what is it, Kamen Rider Digital Solid Heroes. This is from Kamen Rider Drive, Type Speed apparently. So when I was in Japan, I watched this show a fair bit. Didn't understand what it was really about at all, but I know it's pretty popular, and I thought I'd get this. I got it from Hobbyco for about 20 bucks. Thought it was a bit of a steal, so let's see if we can, open this box. Yeah, just open the box. Open. Yeah, sticky tape's a little. I should have got one of those little knives that people use. Right, so plastic. Oops. Just got to be careful with these things, of course. Okay. Pull this off now. Okay. Open. Alright. More sticky tape. Okay. Sticky tape mania. So very simple box, just a lot of sticky tape on the box, as you can see. So Kamen Rider, it's kind of like, this guy, he rides a motorbike, and the motorbike I think can fly and stuff. Alright, so let's put that box to the side. Now inside of that box was this box. Okay, we've got a lot of pieces to go here, so let's quickly try and put this one together, eh? So, this one, I've opened some one-piece ones that are kind of similar to this, where I think you just, you pop the piece together and all of that sort of thing. So, I've got the Kamen Rider guy's head now. So if you're a fan of Kamen Rider, I'm sure you would know who he is. I can only call him Kamen Rider because I have only watched it in Japanese without any subtitles, and I don't know much about Kamen Rider at all. But as I said, Kamen Rider is pretty cool. So now, as you can see, he's got a tire on his shoulder. They say if you hold a tire, you can get more strong. So I'm guessing he's trying to become more of a strong Kamen Rider. Now, on his pocket, he's got little race Hot Wheels, I guess, is it? No. Up here. Okay. Okay, so that part's done. Now we just got to get... Alright. A lot of bubble wrap. Okay, so that looks like his leg. And almost done with this one. I reckon this figure looks pretty radical. Kamen Rider Drive Speed Type Unlimited. Where'd that go? Give me 1 sec, team. I've lost his foot. I have lost Kamen Rider's foot. Found his foot. Alright. I have found Kamen Rider's foot. And it's a very tricky thing to open. Let's put his steady on. Gotta be gentle with these things. Alright, Kamen Rider. Put this in. Alrighty. And last but not least, what the hell is that? Okay, so that's Kamen Kamen Rider. I'm gonna say I would give this a 6 out of a 5. I think it's a very good Kamen Rider figure. As you can see, he is running, so he's going to be obviously fast. Where's his motorbike? It's around his shoulder. What is this plastic thing? I really don't know. But yeah, so SnapThirty Kamen Rider unboxing. Where does this go? Can someone put a comment saying where did I put this plastic? Because his foot, right? It will go on his foot, yeah? Someone please let me know. I think his plastic is cracked. 6 out of 5. Kamen Rider D Drive Unlimited Speed. Good. Woo!